Today we're going to be working on the Pilates Springboard with the rollback bar on the single leg teaser. This is the Benniebarre Pilates studio.
From here we're going to go into a single leg teaser. So we have some options here that will make it easier is to bend the knee. But what we're going to attempt to do here is inhale to prepare, and on the exhale we'll tuck the chin to chest. We lift up one leg and we're going to roll up through our body, straighten the chest at the top. Good, and then go ahead and lower back down. It's like a roll up on the mat, but we're just lifting the leg and we're opening the chest at the top. Good, and go ahead and roll back down. We'll inhale to prepare. Exhale, roll through and lift. Nice and tall. Now spread that chest. Make sure that you're not still in the C curve. We want to lift the whole way up right here. Inhale at the top and exhale as we lower down. Try to lower your leg at the same rate that you lower your upper body. Inhale to prepare and exhale. Float it up. Inhale at the top and exhale. Lower down. Again, other side. Use that exhalation to lift. And bring it back down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale at the top. And exhale, lower the whole way down. If you'd like, you can go into a full teaser where we lift both legs here. We'll inhale to prepare in the same way. And lift up tall, open through the chest, and then melt down with control, one vertebrae at a time. Good. Inhale to prepare, and exhale. Really challenging up from level 8. And roll down. You're definitely working with a weight in a different place than when you do this at a lower level. Inhaling to prepare, and exhale. And lowering down. If this is not happening today, that's a-okay. Inhale to prepare. And lowering back down. Good. From here, go ahead and roll the whole way forward. Reach towards your springboard and stretch out through the legs. And now stack up through the spine. Press the roll down bar down towards your legs. Again, we're going to inhale, reach up and over, stretching towards the springboard. And then we're going to stack up through the spine, one vertebrae at a time, as we press down through the bar. And one more. Up and over. And then stack up through the spine, nice and tall, pressing down.
Thanks so much for joining me in the studio today. If you'd like to look into full-length Springboard Pilates classes with me, check out that information in my write-up below. And check out my channel for more Pilates Springboard, Mat Pilates, bar workouts, and much more. I'll see you guys next time in the studio.